So after all the edges are matched and we have a pair on all the edges are now pair. So solve the white edge piece first. So 3 are already solved. Solve the all 4 white edges. All 4 are solved. Now this cube right now is similar to a 3 by 3 cube. This is the center of a 3 by 3 cube. You can assume it as a center. This is center, and this is the white cross which you make in a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So now I can solve this Rubik's cube just like a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So in a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, after this cross is done, you solve the corners. So I can solve the corners just like this. Now to solve the corners, if you don't know 3 by 3, then find the corner piece on the top layer in which there is a white, and then see what are the other two colors in that corner piece. If the other two corner piece, so in this case the other two corner piece color are red and blue, so take this corner piece in between red and blue sides. This is green and red, red and blue. Yeah, this is red and blue. So take this in between red and blue, and then do R, U, R prime. After doing this, this is done. This corner is done. Similarly, find another corner piece in which there is a white in it. There is white in it, and the other colors are blue and orange. So take this corner piece between blue and orange sides. Blue and orange is this. Take it between that side, and then in this case the white is on the front side. So again do R, U, R prime, and see if this corner is done or not. If it is not done, again do R, U, R prime. Not done. That corner piece has come here. Again bring it at that place in between those two colors, orange and blue. Again do R, U, R prime. Again check if it is solved or not. Not solved. So again do R, U, R prime. Not solved. Again that corner piece has gone on this left side. Again bring it on the right side in between those centers, those sides, and again do R, U, R prime. So you only need to do R, U, R prime to solve a corner. Now again find a corner piece in which there is white. So this corner piece has a white in it, and the other two colors are green and orange. So bring it between green and orange sides. This is green, this is orange. Bring it between this and do R, U, R prime. It is not solved. Again do R, U, R prime. Not solved. It has gone the left side. Bring it to right. Again do R, U, R prime. This time this got solved. Now the fourth one is here, corner piece in which there is a white. Now if you don't find a white corner piece on the top layer, you can bring it from the bottom layer to top. So for example, let's see this case. Sometimes you won't have any white corner piece on the top layer. That white corner piece might be stuck like this on the bottom layer. So you can bring it on top layer like this, R, U, R prime, and that corner piece is on the top now. Now you can solve it. This is white, other colors are green and red, so you can solve it like this, R, U, R prime. So this got solved in one time. So now one layer is done. Now we will solve the edges. So again, just like a 3 by 3 cube, you solve the second layer. Edges. We will solve it in a similar way. If you don't know 3 by 3, then the way of solving it is See, if I want to solve this edge piece, it should be blue and red. So find a blue and red edge piece on the top layer. So this is already here. This is white and red and blue. Bring it on top like this so that the blue and blue are matching. So find an edge piece pair in which there is no yellow, and see the front color is blue. So if suppose it was like here, it was here, then it is the front color it is having is blue. So bring it on top of blue so that it looks like this line, blue line, and see the top color now. Top color is red. If top color is red, then do this step, right step. Right step means I am taking this piece, these two pieces to right side. If I have to take these two pieces to left side, then I will do another step. So for taking it to right side, the step is U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U and F. So see those two pieces have come on the right side. Similarly, solve the other unsolved edges on the second and third layer. So again, find an edge piece on the top layer in which there is no yellow. Why there should be no yellow? Because I don't want any yellow pieces here, because it's the top layer color. So you might find this case where you don't have any such edge piece in which there is no yellow. Then what we will do, we will bring these pieces on the top and then solve it. So first we will bring these two pieces on top. How to bring it on top? We will use the same right step for bringing it on top. So the right step does is it replaces these two pieces with these two pieces. What the left step does is it replaces these two pieces with these two pieces. So if I do the right step right now, right step is this. Right step means taking this piece to the here and this piece to here. Right step is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U and F. See that piece has gone on top. It's here. And what is the front color in these two pieces? Front color is green. So take it on top of green like this. And now see what is the top color. Top color is red. See which side is red. Right is red or left is red. So in this case left is red. So this time we will do the left step. Left step means I will take these two pieces to left side. So left step is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. See these two pieces which were on the top has come on this place now. Similarly, I'll solve the other edge pieces. Now again find any other edge pieces in which there is no yellow. This is there. Again see the front color is blue. Take it on top of blue. See the top color is orange. See which side is orange, right is orange or left is orange. This time left is orange. So again do the left step. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. So this edge piece also is solved. So only one edge piece left. Now again find an edge piece on the top layer in which there is no yellow. So in these pieces there is no yellow. See the top color is orange right now. So take it on top of orange like this. Now see the top color in these two edge pieces. This is green. Green is on right side or left side. It's on left. To do the left step, which is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. See now all the four edges are solved, and the bottom three layers are also solved. Only the top layer is remaining. The bottom three layers are done. Thank you.